G'day guys, Aaron here. We're back in the garage, and in this episode I wanted to show you how I mounted a Railblaza Star Mount to the deck of my SUP. So the reason I wanted to show you this is because I don't have access inside the SUP itself. It's already built, fiberglass, epoxy, it's done, it's sealed. So I couldn't use stainless steel washers and bolts. So instead, I came up with a solution to use a piece of 18mm plywood and glue that with epoxy to the deck of the SUP, and then mount the Star Mount to that using stainless steel screws. You'll also see that one of them is actually an eye. So I have an option here to tie things to, should I need to, phones, fishing rods, anything. I've just got an eye there on the deck. Really nice little solution. So without further ado, here's how I did it. So that's how I did it, guys. Pretty simple. You notice there was no measurements there. I just used the actual shape of the mount itself to mark an outline. Went a little bit wider than that. And I set a 10-degree angle on the bandsaw, cut it out, glued it on. Pretty straightforward. 2 coats of varnish. So job's done. So here's how it goes. Nice and strong. I can actually, this is cured now. This is about a day and a half ago since I did it. I can actually lift the SUP with that mount. And those screws are barely going into the deck at all. It's purely the epoxy bond between the mounting block and the deck. So perfect, really happy with that. Love to see some comments about how you think I could have done this better, or ways to improve it. But thanks for tuning in. The next episode will be coming up in about a week, and that's getting ready for an overnight paddle with a mate to an island offshore. So looking forward to doing that as well. But thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share the videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.